In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best iron hair crimper waver on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best iron hair crimper waver. Number 1, TYMO ROVY 1.25-inch 3-barrel curling iron hair crimper waver, ceramic ionic beach waves curling wand, deep waver hair curler with anti-scald design, dual voltage, easy-to-use styling tool for women. Pink 1.25-inch triple barrel waver creates deep, voluminous beach waves and textured curls quickly with a single clamp. Ceramic ionic technology tourmaline ceramic coating and millions of negative ions help reduce frizz and keep hair smooth and shiny. Fast heating system built-in PTC heating. Elements heat up in about 30 seconds for quick and consistent styling. Anti-scald safety design full wrap insulation protects your fingers, neck, and scalp from burns while styling. Dual voltage for travel compatible with 100/240 V power, making it convenient for worldwide use. The TYMO ROVY 1.25-inch curling iron hair crimper waver is designed to create effortless beach waves and voluminous curls in minutes. Its ceramic 3-barrel design distributes heat evenly, helping you achieve smooth, defined waves that last all day. This hair styling tool features advanced ionic technology that releases negative ions to reduce static and frizz, leaving hair silky, shiny, and healthy looking. The tourmaline ceramic coating also helps protect hair from heat damage while improving styling results. With fast 30-second heating and a stable PTC temperature control system, the TYMO ROVY waver delivers consistent performance for all hair types. The anti-scald insulated design ensures safer styling, while the dual voltage compatibility makes it perfect for both home use and travel. Stylish, easy to use, and effective. The TYMO ROVY Beach Wave. Number 2, TYMO ROVY Curling Iron Hair Crimper Waver. TYMO ROVY Beach Waves Curling Wand, ionic deep waver hair curler tool with ceramic 3-barrel for women, dual voltage, anti-scald, easy to use. Pink 1.1-inch triple barrel creates defined, natural-looking beach waves with volume and texture. Ceramic ionic technology helps reduce frizz and leaves hair smooth and shiny. Fast heat up heats quickly for efficient and convenient styling. Anti-scald tip safe and comfortable design for easy handling while styling. Dual voltage travel friendly curling wand suitable for worldwide use. The TYMO ROVY 1-inch 3. Number 3, TYMO Curling Iron Hair Crimper Waver. TYMO ROVY Beach Waves Curling Wand, ionic deep waver hair curler tool with ceramic 3-barrel for women, dual voltage, anti-scald, easy to use. Pink 1.25-inch 1.25-inch triple barrel waver creates deep, voluminous beach waves and textured curls quickly. Ceramic ionic technology reduces frizz, adds shine, and leaves hair smooth and healthy. Fast heating reaches styling temperature quickly for efficient hair styling. Anti-scald safety design protects fingers and scalp for safe, comfortable styling. Dual voltage travel friendly design works worldwide for convenient styling anywhere. The TYMO ROVY 1.25-inch curling iron hair crimper waver is designed to give you salon quality beach waves at home with ease. Its ceramic 3-barrel design ensures even heat distribution, reducing frizz while adding smoothness and shine to your hair. With fast heating technology, this curling wand is ready to use in minutes, making it ideal for quick styling or touch-ups. The anti-scald insulated tip and ergonomic handle provide safety and comfort during use, suitable for all skill levels. Featuring dual voltage support, the TYMO. Number 4, Wavytalk Steam Hair Straightener. Steam Sesh. Steam reduces damage, nourishes hair and expedites straightening. 1.38-foot nano titanium flat iron with detachable comb for silk press smoothing. Sakura Pink. Steam technology infuses moisture while straightening, reducing heat damage and leaving hair silky smooth. Nano titanium plates heats evenly for fast, precise, and long-lasting straightening results. 1.38-inch wide plates perfect for straightening medium to long hair quickly, ideal for silk press styles. Detachable comb attachment ensures smooth, tangle-free styling and improved hair control. Nourishing and protective steam nourishes hair, preventing dryness while expediting straightening. Sleek Sakura Pink design stylish and comfortable for everyday use at home or on the go. The Wavytalk Steam Hair Straightener combines cutting-edge steam technology with nano titanium plates to deliver a smooth, silky, and healthy finish. The steam function infuses moisture into each strand, reducing heat damage while nourishing your hair for a soft, shiny look. With 1.38-inch wide plates, this flat iron is ideal for medium to long hair, helping you achieve a perfect silk press quickly and efficiently. The detachable comb attachment guides hair for tangle-free styling, ensuring even heat distribution and professional results at home. Designed to expedite straightening while protecting your hair, the Wavytalk Steam Flat Iron makes hair styling faster, healthier. Number 5 Wavytalk Pro Steam Hair Straightener Brush. Steamline Pro 3-in-1 Straightening Brush. Steam reduces damage, nourishes hair, and expedites straightening. 3-in-1 Straightening Brush combines brushing, straightening, and smoothing for faster, salon-quality results. Steam technology infuses hair with moisture to reduce heat damage while leaving strands soft and shiny. Expedited straightening speeds up styling with even heat distribution across the hair. Hair nourishing design. Steam nourishes hair while styling to prevent dryness and maintain healthy shine. Ergonomic and easy to use. Comfortable handle and intuitive design make it ideal for home or travel styling. The Wavytalk Pro Steam Hair Straightener Brush Steamline Pro 3-in-1 is designed to straighten, smooth, and detangle hair in one simple step. Its innovative steam technology infuses moisture during styling, helping to reduce heat damage and nourish hair for a soft, silky finish. This 3-in-1 brush allows you to expedite your straightening routine by combining brushing and styling in a single tool, saving time without compromising results. Steam evenly distributes heat and ensures every strand is treated gently while delivering professional quality straightening at home. Perfect for all hair types, the Wavytalk Pro Steam Brush is easy to use, travel-friendly, and helps maintain healthier, shinier hair while achieving smooth, frizz-free styles quickly and efficiently.